Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the goals of green chemistry. There are many goals for green chemistry, but today we are going to discuss the most important 10 goals of green chemistry. The first important goal of green chemistry is the protection of environment from pollution. Nowadays, pollution has become a serious threat to the environment. Most commonly, chemical products are causing a lot of pollution to the environment and also to the humans. So the first goal of green chemistry is to protect the environment from pollution. The second goal of green chemistry is the minimization of waste and byproducts formation. We know in a chemical reaction there will be generation of a lot of wastes and also byproducts. So according to the first principle of green chemistry, that is waste prevention, green chemistry aims to reduce the use or generation of those hazardous substances and preventing the waste than before it is formed. So the goal of green chemistry is the minimization of waste and byproducts formation. The third goal of green chemistry is the synthesis of less hazardous chemicals. So according to green chemistry, we are using green solvents and developing only the products which is necessary, and the chemicals that will be generated will be less hazardous in nature. Fourth goal of green chemistry is the synthesis of eco-friendly or biodegradable products. We know, according to the principle of green chemistry, we aim to design the products which are only biodegradable in nature, or we are using the reagents that are biodegradable in nature in order to make that reaction a green reaction. For example, the synthesis of new pesticides, which is only toxic to the target species and it readily degrades into safer products. It is an example for eco-friendly or biodegradable products synthesis. The fifth goal of green chemistry is the replacement of hazardous organic solvents. So in green chemistry, we only use green solvents. For example, water, supercritical carbon dioxide, ionic liquids, fluorous solvents, polyethylene glycol are examples of green solvents that is only used in green chemistry instead of those hazardous organic solvents. And the sixth one is use of renewable raw materials or feedstocks, and we use the raw materials that are only renewable. For example, we use the biomass as a raw material rather than petrochemical feedstocks to make the reaction more eco-friendly. And the seventh one is consumption of minimum energy. We only proceed to use minimum energy to make the chemical reaction more eco-friendly. And the eighth goal of green chemistry is to minimize the release of obnoxious and inflammable chemicals, explosion and fires. And the ninth one is green chemistry is according to the principle of 4 R's of IWM, that is integrated waste management. So it is following the integrated waste management. And the 10th goal is green chemistry aims to use the 4 R's to enhance the movement of green chemistry. That 4R mean reduction, reuse, recovery and recycling. So these are the 10 various goals of green chemistry.